Hi, I'm Merrill Engelhardt with Sotheby's International Realty, and I am so excited to introduce you to this beautifully renovated home right here in Jacksonville. I can't wait to share with you all these wonderful updates that create such a beautifully comfortable and elegant atmosphere. Isn't this an amazing backyard? This lush oasis is like your staycation. Also, through this beautiful gated community, you'll find your 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with so many updates from the marble floors, an amazing built-in entertainment area, and more. And you're also close to downtown, shopping, and the airport. Please feel free to contact me for your private showing.